Healthy aging with nutrition. Wouldn't it be great if you could eat yourself young? Well, let me show you how you can stay healthy as you age with the right diet. Did you know that nutrition makes the biggest difference between your chronological age, how many years you've been alive, and your biological age, how old your cells are? Yes, every bite you take can determine if you'll live a little longer, healthier life or a short, sick one. Your body needs a wide variety of nutrients to stay healthy, not just fat, protein, and carbs, but phytonutrients, biochemicals from plants that help your body function optimally. The most important thing you can do is eat a very colorful diet. And you get color from plants, fruits, legumes, and vegetables, which are rich in phytonutrients. Like antioxidants that keep you from rusting internally. Most antioxidants come from a group of phytonutrients called flavonoids. Flavonoids are attached to the color of plants. There are different flavonoids in leafy greens than orange squash and red berries. And your body needs all the different types. Colorful flavonoids help protect your cells and specifically your DNA from damage from heat, UV lights, environmental toxins, and infections. If your diet is basically beige, you're not getting enough flavonoids to stay healthy. So eat a wide variety of colorful fruits and veggies. I like to mix it up every day. For breakfast, blueberries and golden mangoes with whole fat Greek yogurt. For lunch, leafy greens in a salad with red peppers, yellow tomatoes, and last night's roasted orange squash, and maybe a little chicken. For dinner, grilled asparagus and salmon served over flavonoid powerhouse, red kidney beans. Oh, but you're concerned about lectins? There's a lot of talk about lectins and inflammation. But what are lectins? Lectins are chemicals found in the seeds of plants that protect the seed from being digested. That way you'll pass that seed right out in your stool. So lectins are good for you, or are they bad for you? It matters how you eat them. Cooking breaks down the lectins, so don't eat them raw. Just be sure to soak the beans overnight and cook them well to get the full measure of protection from anti-aging flavonoids. What if you're eating an unhealthy, colorless, limited diet all your life? You know, the same old boring processed cereal for breakfast, your white bread and bologna sandwich for lunch, and your macaroni and cheese for dinner? Well, it's not too late. Studies show that changing your lifestyle when you're middle-aged, 40 to 60, especially eating a more nutritious diet, can reduce inflammation that leads to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. So what about macronutrients like fat, protein, carbohydrates? Well, macronutrients provide calories for energy and building blocks for cell growth, enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters. You need all three. It's the ratio of carbs to fat and protein that makes the difference. Most people age best when they eat a relatively low-carb diet. That's because as you age, your metabolism slows down and you don't need much carbs for energy. Carbs that are not used for energy are highly inflammatory, and inflammation ages you. Focus on eating enough protein to maintain healthy, lean body mass. For you. Lean body mass is the weight of your tissues, your muscles, your bones. If you don't get enough protein, you will start breaking down your own tissues. Make sure to download your free hormone reboot training where you'll learn exactly how much protein, fat, and carbs you need to stay healthy. Eating enough healthy fat is really important to help you age gracefully. That's because fat is used to create healthy cell membranes. Without healthy cell membranes, you're dry and shriveled inside and out. Wrinkles, dry mouth, poor vision, and your cells cannot get enough waste out and energy in. Healthy fat comes from plants and animals. Olive oil, nuts and seeds, avocado, coconut are all healthy plant fats. Saturated fat is important and comes from meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy, and should make up about 1/3 of your total daily fat intake. Don't worry about fat increasing your cholesterol. It's the carbs, too many of them, that raise your cholesterol levels, not fat. So start reversing your biological clock with a colorful, well-balanced, nutritious diet.